Hello everyone, this is your boy Apostle and I'm here to show you how you can create an online to offline referral campaign for your business by using the online to offline referral template, which you can find inside our template wizard. So the first thing that you need to do is to obviously log in into your ViraLoops account and select to create a new campaign. Then you have to scroll a bit down and choose to use the online to offline template inspired by Live Through London. So select this template. Good, and you will be redirected to the info step where you have to provide some details about your campaign. So you have to start by giving a name to your campaign. So I will go with OTO, online to offline awesomeness. Good. Then you have to provide an address for your website. For the sake of the example, I will go with viraloops.com. Good. Then you have to select the currency symbol that you use. So you can either use dollar, euro, pound, or yen. I will go with dollar. And then you have to select the correct representation of the currency. So for dollars, for example, the dollar sign is in front of the monetary value. I will keep it as it is. And then you have to select the ViraLoops link style. You can make a choice among modern, classic, and hidden. The modern has this pink heart right here. The classic has a more discreet gray color, and the hidden option is only available for power plan users or app. So I will go with the modern and I will press next. And here is the rewarding step. So as you can see, there's a bubble here that says read me first. So let's go and read this. So on your website, people will use the ViraLoops widget to send invitations to their friends. The invitees have to accept the invitation to win a discount for their first visit to you. When they eventually become customers, their referrers will also win. So let's go and set up the intro offer. So there is a question: what will be offered to referred customers to your business? So the invitee will get a coupon code for 20% off. This is the default, but you can also choose to give them a fixed amount of money, so $20 off or nothing. I don't really support going for nothing, so I will give them a percent off, like 20%. And then you have to answer the question of when will the invitee will eligible for this offer. So you can either choose to be immediately or after they have made at least one purchase. I like to lure people in, so I will leave it to immediately, and then I'm going to keep moving and go to set up the referral reward. So now you have to ask, what will you offer to people who have referred other customers to your business? You may again choose among percent off, fixed amount off, and nothing. I will go again with percent off, and I will give them a 20% off. Good. And then you have to set a referral reward limit. So by default this is set to unlimited, but you may uncheck it because you may want the referrer to get up to 10 coupons or 5 coupons or 1 coupon. I don't really like to set limits for that kind of situation, so I will continue with unlimited. Let's go to the next. And here we can customize the rewarding widget. So let's go and customize this. Great. This is the preview of the rewarding widget. As you can see, we have some tabs here: info tab, invite tab, coupon tab, and global options. Let's go to global options at first and change the primary background color to black because I like it. You can also change the primary text color or the secondary background color, which for now only changes the email button and this line right here. Good. you can change the salutation, the referrals text, the rewards text, the text for the info tab or the invites tab or the coupons tab, and also you can change the message on the trigger button text when it's closed or open. Good. We are good to go from the global options. Let's go to the info tab now. So as you can see in the info tab, we have 3 sub tabs. We have the logged in, which is for logged in users. We have for guests, and we have for referred guests. For the logged in, you may change the greeting text and also the button text, but you can also add some custom CSS and customize it even further. Let's go to the guest logged out. You can also change the greetings text, the button text, and also add custom CSS, and the same applies for referred guests. The greeting text is customizable, and also the button text, and you can add custom CSS. I will leave them as it is for now. Let's go to the invites tab, and this is the tab that people will see after they sign up for your campaign. You may change the invite prompt. You can add custom CSS. As you can see, you have by default Facebook, Twitter, Messenger, and email, plus the viral link options for sharing. You can also add Reddit here. And for email, you can fully customize the email, the subject line, and the body. Good. And now let's go here, where you can set up how Facebook sharing will look like. In other words, you can change the open graph. So whenever somebody wants to share about your campaign using this button right here, you may choose what kind of title, description, website name, or image will be displayed on Facebook. Good. Now for Twitter, you can create a pre-populated tweet, which can include, of course, your Twitter handle. So when people choose to tweet about your campaign using this button, this is the kind of tweet they will be able to share. A similar mindset applies for Reddit, so you can create a suggested title for a Reddit post. Good. Great. Let's go to the guest logged out. You can change the header image, the subheader text, the button text. You can add custom CSS, and you can customize the input fields. So by default, you have first name, last name, and email address, which is mandatory. You may choose to ask only for the last name, and you may also choose which fields will be required. Good. And you may also enable the GDPR fields, from where you can capture consent from users in order to send them marketing activities, such as a newsletter, for example. Okay, let's go to the referred guests. You may also change here the header image, the subheader image, the button text. You can add custom CSS, and you can change the input fields in the same logic as I showed you in the previous step. Good, we're good to go. Let's go to the coupons tab, from where you can add some custom CSS, and then to the global option, which we saw as a first step. I think we are good to go. We are saving this. We are going back to the widget step, and now we can move on to the next step, which is the notification step. And from here, you can either choose to activate or deactivate the welcome email and the successful referral email. Let's go and edit the welcome email. Here it is. You can change the from name, the from email address, the subject line, the reply to address. You may use some of the merge tags that we have here. Of course, the main body of the email is fully customizable. Don't forget to put in this field, the button URL field, to put the exact same URL that you put in the info step. You may also change the button background color, so I will turn it to black just to be consistent with the rest of the buttons. You can set up some graphics for your email, such as a header image or a logo, and of course you can send a test email to yourself just to see just to make sure that the email that people will receive is the same as the one that you see in the preview right here. So let's say that we are all set up. We will save this. Great. And then the successful referral email is similar as well. You can change the same principle. You can change the from name, the from email address, the subject line, the reply to address. You have some extra merge tags here. You can change the main body, the background color of the button. Again, don't forget to put the exact same URL as you've put in the info step in this field right here. You can set up graphics. You can send test email. I guess we're good to go. I'm going to save this as well, and on to the next step, which is the point of referral. So here you can add some cashier accounts so people can redeem their codes. So for the cashier name, I'm going to go with Apostle, and my PIN will be, I don't know, for AIDS. You can also add other cashier names, so I'm going to go for 4/4. Good. Let's go for next. And here we are again with the integrations. You may choose among Slack, MailChimp, Google Analytics, MailJet, Segment.io, Facebook Pixel, Mixpanel, Zapier, Webhook, Custom.js, and we soon have Intercom coming. I will not mess with this for now, and I'm going to press next and go to the next step, which is the final step, the installation. And you have to follow these instructions right here, and hopefully you will be ready to fire this button and your campaign will be live. Thank you very much for being with me. I hope to see you soon, and keep being awesome. Peace!